Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to my channel at Sarah Tourist. I'm very excited to be here with you. And guys, today we went back to our grandpa's house. He have been sick, and guys, tell you what, he's now okay. And yeah, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're my beautiful returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And guys, let us talk with the grandpa.
Umubiri gwasooka ku kinampiro era nawe kuliko ebigambingi nati amaku mukasana nga awo natandika okubeera kale natandika okupigana
So hey guys, he's saying how he got that disease, how he knew that he's sick. First felt too much coldness, that he was feeling it to the bones. He went to sit on the sunshine, but he couldn't feel it. But again, eventually sitting in the sunshine for like about when I started sweating, yet he's feeling cold. Guys, can you imagine sweating when you're feeling cold? But yeah.
era ano amagulu gano natandika okugonderera era ano nawulira nga mugongo kukola nti kwekulama nti nga
nga bulumi bungi
awo mukyagwa awo natandika akantu okukola okusiirira natandika okolola wenkolola munda mukamu gatandika kujja kukola kutanaka lwenkolola nga lwenkolola
Oh no, so guys, this was really bad. But yeah, he's saying that when he started that one, he started to feel here that he wants to cough. But when he coughs like that, he would just go and vomit, which was really sad.
atandika okusiba aligenda kumira matata okukolaki era nemmere nga naye mpera ano mwendya
So guys, he is okay. I think you can hear from him. He's fine. Okay, and the medicine are still there, so.
kyemani kuba obulungi oteeka ogatereka bulungi kuba esaawa eyo obanga ofuna bulungi aliwo obona nga
So guys, he was saying, what if like he's feeling good right now? Is it okay when we keep it? But I'm trying to convince him that he have to take it all and have accepted. Yeah. So alijaga milagona gone. Gawemu. By the way, wenda kutundu bakamfuka. Ngweze kutunda bakamfuka. So guys, I was trying to ask, does he need like juice, like passion fruits? Because passion fruits here, they are the one for the medicines. And he was like, and maybe and like a kawara. And he was like, anything you want, like you want for me. But of course, I'm going to buy for him the passion fruit. We bought him the yesterday, by the way, over, and right now we are going to buy some for him. Yeah. Anyways, guys, as I'm here, I just want to clean around, and yeah, I know we are just going to leave this house very soon, but still, he's living here. We have to clean. I have been coming here more like after every 3 days. I come here and clean, but even still, right now it's very dirty. Let me clean it right now, and I want to clean with you. But yeah, of course, here within 2 weeks we'll be just out of this house, Grandpa. I think I'm waking it with jail. Kijaba nga tumaliriza kirungi tagenda weeyanze okukolera
n'omwana
wange ebyo n'abali enye bakulira sente
n'omwana wange mwebaze asiino era musanyufu
Yeah, so guys, he is saying that he's very happy, and thank you so much for everything that you have done for him. He's extremely happy, and yeah, when you have finished everything. And by the way, guys, I just wanted to tell you about the lady, the other first lady. Everyone was talking about her, and I just wanted to make this, like, tell you people, like, so, like, 3 people have so far contributed, and yeah, we are going to buy the materials and everything. But before that, I want to make a video to ask you which type should we build, because according to the response of the people, like, people have been responding according to my grandpa's house. So my grandpa's people were responding and they were sending money there and then. But right now, some people, like, they're a little bit slow. So I just want to know, should we build same like our grandpa? Should we build one room? What should we do? But I'll make a video about that and you will tell me what to do exactly. But anyways, guys, let me go and clean, and yeah, let us go clean. So grandpa, just go to the and to
So, hi guys, at first we are just going to organize everything, remove some stuffs, take the plates outside and organize each and everything. And guys, I have notes here, like my grandpa, he did not use the other saucepans that we gave him. He said he won't do them in the new house, and I totally understand that. He said they're just seated there waiting for the other new house, which is okay. So right now I'm organizing everything. I want to clean the dishes and sweep. Yeah, he's my beautiful grandpa, and I'm just happy for that you guys, you're helping us around. Oh no, we just had a conversation here and there. And guys, what I have seen is I'm going to remove all these bottles. And guys, see all these bottles, those are bottles for the kawalat. The other video that I did, it's alcohol. He really, really, really loves it. But honestly, he doesn't take that a lot. Yeah, but I like that's his life, and I just doesn't want to stop him, though I will limit somehow because this is too much maybe. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, we are taking all the things outside. We are going through some of those bottles away. We are going to burn them, and yeah, and see what it will happen next. Yeah, I can't wait to just go in the other house and see how organized it will be. And yeah, these are his clothes. He told me he had just washed, so I just had to put them there in the hanger. And probably maybe tomorrow is a Sunday. Maybe on Monday I'll go and wash his clothes. But today he told me he had washed, so yeah. So right now it's my turn to start sweeping. Guys, let us clean, let us sweep.
know, guys, this is why we have to cement that house, like to make the floor. Because see this trap, I came here, I think 3 days ago, 3 days ago. But see, as if I have, like, as if I have took like years without cleaning. So no, we have to do that for him. And by the way, guys, I have a friend who said he's a subscriber who said, but of course a friend who said she's going to buy for my dad a mattress. And honestly, yes, this one is new. As you can see, it's new, but it's very small for him. And I think it would be a good idea if you buy for him a bed and maybe a mattress to be just good. And guys, the magical, if you don't want this trap, like the soil to be everywhere, is you put some water. So hey guys, we have finished to clean the house, and right now we are going to do the dishes. Let's go and clean the plates. Hey guys, right now we are going to clean our dishes, and yeah, right now I'm going to look for soap. He was directing me where the soap is, and I'm ready to start. But of course I had to start with cleaning the saucepan, because here we have only 2 saucepans. Eating the African, we bought the new saucepans by my grandpa. He doesn't want to use them right now. He said he will use them in the new house. He said he's going to throw everything, the old stuffs, and start a new life, which is so beautiful. Like, he understands that. Yeah, right now I'm cleaning the saucepan, because these are the ones that I have to use to clean the dishes. And yeah guys, like, honestly, last time we did a really good job, because as you can see, the house, it's still like, it looks good, not like before. It's really good. And yeah, we're having a conversation with my grandpa, like, he's telling me about so many stuffs. We were talking about so many stuffs, and talking about that this and the some alcohol. I'm like, please stop. And he's like, no, I can't die right now because of alcohol. And I'm like, anyway, that is it. And the other dishes, we are about to finish the dishes. And guys, thank you so much for loving me, for commenting, for donating, for subscribing. Guys, thank you. Pananga, I don't know how much I have to say thank you. I don't know how you can see that, but honestly, I'm really grateful that you're showing me wonders. Like, miracles are happening on my channel. The subscribers are going high, people are viewing, the views are going high, people are donating. Everything is so good. Yeah, Allah, everything is so pretty. I'm just loving everything. Thank you so much. Yeah, the grandpa has hands around, and yeah, as we will be going, hopefully we will take some the other side. So hey guys, we have just finished cleaning the dishes, and honestly, we need something like a tassa. It's called the tassa, a small basket where we can keep these things inside. Yeah, I think I'm going to plan for that. Yeah, inshallah, when he goes to the other house, we'll have to buy one, like 3 tassas, for one for washing, for raising, and then for putting in the dishes. But anyways guys, thank you so much for being here, for loving me, for loving my grandpa, for just supporting this project. And yeah guys, my grandpa, he is fine right now. I'm just happy about that. But anyway, thank you so much for sticking around, for loving me. And guys, please I won't tell you something. Please, guys, I have just finished. Please, 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 don't forget to do what? Subscribe. 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 Bye bye. Love you all.